This display has been done in a trendy colourway, featuring 3 greys and white. The use of the different colours in this palette helped to distinguish one area of the kitchen from the other. Our Luca gloss door is a 22mm thick MDF J-pull door. The door will give an ultra-modern feel to any kitchen with its angular lines, but we've softened it in this display by the use of radius posts. Another contrasting feature of this display is on the island itself. At one end we've used external corner posts which allow for continuity of the J-pull profile all the way around the island, and at the opposite end we've completed this with some curved base units and an open display shelf. A striking design choice on this kitchen was the Calacatta golden worktops. An eye-catching part of this display is the worktop that's been used in the display and storage section and has been backlit for maximum effect. The use of an extractor hob on an island can afford you more freedom of choice when it comes to lighting overhead.